Check in my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Me outside today. I cook a big pot of food, soup, pea soup at that, with chicken foot, chicken neck, and some cow skin. So guys, me I go wash my peas. So stay tuned. Forward in a chicken tray water. Make me wash peas. That is it, man. So guys, the water boiling. I gotta add my peas. So guys, I add some pimento and garlic to cook with the peas. Now I'm gonna get my vegetables sorted out. Guys, I peel my carrot and Irish with a big pot of soup. We out here today. We out here without fear. Real Jamaican authentic cooking outside. That is it, man. Guys, I'm close by the road, so from time to time you will hear vehicle passing, or you will see people are pass because we're there. We're the outside today. Guys, I start cut up my Irish and carrot. Guys, as you can see, I cut up my carrot and Irish. Now I'm gonna add my meat already cut up. Some chicken foot and chicken neck, guys. So I already add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning on there. So in a creative kitchen in the building. Guys, remember to like the video, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And always remember how we say Jamaica. Guys, feel my breadfruit. nice. Guys, clean up some scallion, start building flavor from early. This is Sonia Creative Kitchen. If you don't like the videos yet, please do so. Comment, tell a friend, you tell a friend. We're out here, guys. Guys, I'm going to add my breadfruit, nicely diced, my carrot and Irish. Everything I will blend together. Got this, guys. Nice. Guys, I'm going to add a couple pack of my soup mix. So guys, start building flavor from early. This is a big pot of soup. You know when you're done, we keep on add one whole heap of soup, you know? So we are doing it from early out. So now I'm gonna allow it for another 10-15 minutes. Then I'll add in my yellow yam and my flour. Guys, now I'm gonna peel me yellow yam. Real Chilani yellow yam this. Sweet potato go good with pea soup without coconut milk. if it's gonna work. So now I'm adding my sweet potato and my yellow yam. So guys, I already mixed my dough. Let me dumpling them. Now I'm going to add it to my pot. Big pot of soup. Guys, done with the making of the flour. I'll give my pot a good stir. So guys, now I'm gonna add my cow skin. So guys, I pressured the cow skin earlier. So now I just add it to the pot of soup. In another 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. So guys, I add my coconut milk, freshly squeezed. You know, so in a Creative Kitchen do it. Nice. So guys, I'm beating the scallion to release the flavor. Guys, now add some scallion and thyme.
It smells so nice, Mama.
Thanks.
Yeah, man, it smells so nice. Yeah, man. Hey, boss. It's strong.
Put some quarter.
So guys, pimento, my favorite spice are pimento. And nice. Guys, this shot, it is delicious. You see some flavor. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy myself. We're outside. Like the video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember always, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye. Be gone.